Tasneem Academy Gwada.
I want to be a teacher and work at a school. I want to be a journalist and work at a station. I want to be a nurse. I work at a hospital. I want to be an engineer. I want to be a scientist.
Yara manyan gobe. Wannan wani salo ne da ake ƙara ƙarfafa ma yara gwiwa domin su samu su taso da karsashin abin da suke so su zama tun suna ƙananu. Wannan shi ne ake kira da kariya day wanda aka gabatar a Tasneem Academy da ke nan garin Gwada. Lauya kenan, yayin da yake gabatar da irin ayyukansu da suke yi na taimakon al'umma da kuma kawo sauyi a al'umma. Allah sarki, ji wata yarinya ita ma kenan take gabatar da irin ayyukansu ga al'umma.
To middle school students with learning emotional or physical disabilities includes teachers who specialize and work with students who are blind or have visual impairment, students who are deaf or have hearing impairment, and students with intellectual disabilities.
Ta ilimi sai ta rayuwa ilimi ne fari na sa hayu kaliki na madamakiyu rabu majinginar gajiyayyu sai da sansa ne muka rayu shi ya kaba mu yayi mana ƙari.
Tasneem Academy tanta ta ilimi sai ta rayuwa ilimi ne ba a yi maki bori.
Rabu kai tsanin kasalati adadin da ya wuce sauti ga rasulun abban fati wanda ku kai munajati annabi maɓuɓɓugar alkairi.
Tasneem Academy tanta ta ilimi.
Fresh mix.
Yara da tsantsar tarbiya babu kamar Tasneem muje.
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 Tabaraka sarki wahidun Allah da ya mana sutura.
Babu kamar Tasneem muje.
Na kirayi sarki Matidu amsa kirarin mai kira.
Babu kamar Tasneem muje.
Allah da ba shi da sayi ba da daɗiya ko kwarkwara.
Babu kamar Tasneem muje.
Dukka jiki mai rayuwa dole guri na saza mu je.
Yara da tsantsar tarbiya babu kamar Tasneem muje.
Allah kanin ka salati kamar adadi kun Mustapha
Babu kamar Tasneem muje.
wanda ya zarta littika al'arabi mai kyan sifa
Babu kamar Tasneem muje.
wanda a gandun tutika ya zama shine ka.
لا يخلو من علمه مكانه ولا يشغله شغل عن شغل. Distinguished the Provost Kangiwa College of Health, Science and Technology Gwada, Barrister Shehu Musa Jamil, the Chief Security ably represented, distinguished brothers and sisters, I greet you in an Islamic way, which is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all to today's gathering. On behalf of management staff of Tasneem Academy, I say a heartfelt thank for honoring us with your presence. We are gathered here not just to celebrate milestones, but to also appreciate the effort of everyone who contribute to the success of our school. Let me begin by appreciating our dedicated teachers. Day in, day out, they give their time, energy, and expertise to nurture these young minds. Teaching is more than a job, it is a calling. And I am proud to say our teachers are answering that call with passion and excellence. Thank you, dear teachers, for your unwavering commitment. To our dear parents, we see your sacrifices. We know the effort it takes to pay school fees, attend meetings, monitor homework, and still manage everything else life throws your way. Your support is invaluable to us. We deeply appreciate your partnership in educating your children. We are also blessed with a supportive community, from local leaders to well-wishers. You have stood by us many ways. Your contributions, both seen and unseen, help make this school a better place. We thank you for being part of our journey. Now I must address a rumor that has been going around that our school lacks enough or qualified teachers. This is completely false. We are proud to say that every teacher in our school is not qualified, but also passionate about teaching. We regularly invest in training, development to ensure our teachers are equipped with modern method and sound knowledge. Please disregard any false claims. And I feel free to visit anytime a parent visits the school, feel free and visit our classes. To our parents and guardians, I encourage you to continue helping your children with their homework. As I close, let me remind us all that education is a shared responsibility, with our teachers teaching, our parents guiding, our community supporting, and our pupils striving. There is no limit to what we can achieve. Let's continue working together to make Tasneem Academy a true center of excellence. Thank you all again. God bless Tasneem Academy Gwada. God bless Gwada Town. God bless Shiro local governments. God bless Niger State. God bless Federal Republic of Nigeria. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.